Hey everybody, it's Peepaw here. I just wanted to take a moment to show off a little bit of mail call. I had ordered some wheels from the Temu site a few days ago to custom some Hot Wheels. And so this is the product I got today. I got 3 sets of tires and wheels. And this batch here is about the same. And then finally, the last set. And so I know that some people are reluctant to use Temu for one reason or another, but this is probably like, the 3rd or 4th order I've done, and I've always been happy with the end product. So these are rubber wheels with the little metal axle for custom jobs. I also got my paint from Redline, and so I'll open that here in just a minute.